Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we will see modern methodologies to grow our business in an efficient way for getting a long-term success, so watch this video till end. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also please give a like to this video and share with your friends so that they can also get benefit out of it. So, without making any further delay, let's get started. In 21st century, most business tycoons want to grow their business in various countries all around the globe. It is not possible for them to make it directly, but yes, it can be made possible through location-wise business associates, who can not only look after sales, marketing, and business development for a particular product, but also can take care of after-sales service issues like maintenance, spare parts availability, and troubleshooting or repairs in case of customer complaint. Such business associates are generally assigned for a specific territory to extend their pre-sales and post-sales services, timely and efficiently. Some of the well-known terminologies used for such business associates are channel partners, dealers and distributors, stockiest, sales, and service agent, etc. So nowadays, it has become very crucial for organizations to concentrate on growth of their business through such channel partners. However, it is impossible to appoint such channel partners at every industrial cluster. Now, if looking from channel partners' point of view, they are not just looking for financial incentives but much more than that. So in such scenarios, organizations have to find out innovative ways to handle business coming from channel partners. So let's put a glance one by one on several practical and proven ways for getting huge business through channel partners. Number 1. Appointment of channel partners. For organization to grow its business in a particular territory, it is really very important to identify right channel partners for right location for a successful start of business in a particular territory. This helps to capture various beneficial business opportunities of a territory in long run. Also, this creates credibility of an organization, which in turn helps to establish a brand image in customers' mind. That is why most of the organizations are using a criteria, which best suits their business, to carry out procedure of identification and appointment of channel partners is. In such processes, organizations analyze applicants who are willing to become its channel partner based on factors like domain knowledge with respect to overall business and product, past experience of dealing with complementary products, existing setup and resources available, financial stability and credit evaluation, which is generally done through external agencies, territory presence with relevant existing customers base, and last but not least, a hunger for business and growth. Each of these parameters can be given a weightage, and then comparison can be done via weighted average score. Many times, companies appoint external audit agencies to evaluate this neutrally. Number 2. Competency enhancement trainings for channel sales personnel. Handling channel partners is a completely different ball game as compared to direct sales. Hence, it has been observed that many salespeople give excellent performance while dealing with direct customers. However, while dealing with channel partners, they feel it is challenging and end up with failure. Hence, to tackle with such scenarios, nowadays, organizations are appointing a team consist of a set of employees headed by a senior salesperson having past experience of handling channel partners, and such team will dedicatedly handles only channel partner business. Now, in order to enhance the competency and productivity of such teams, organizations conduct various training programs. Such competency enhancement training programs designed for channel salesperson focus on crucial factors such as cash flow cycle, thinking like an entrepreneur, which helps sales personnel to build quality of responsibility and ownership, emotional intelligence, which helps to manage their own emotions in positive way, lead generation and management, which helps to expand business through channel partners, channel sales negotiation to conclude deals with win-win results, and most importantly, building a healthy personal and business relationships with channel partners, This because mutual respect with the channel partner is a very important aspect. Number 3. Vision development. For an organization, it is very important to give clarity to their channel partners about the results expected during the course of at least next 5 years' time of their association. Hence, for communicating this to channel partners in a highly professional manner, generally channel heads of organization make use of a method called Vision Development Workshop. Such workshops are generally conducted for whole team of channel partners, which focuses on 5-year vision of each channel partners by emphasizing topics like customer-wise business potential mapping with respect to each territory, setting targets for sales and new lead generation, resources required to achieve decided goals, mutual agreement on marketing plans like participation in relevant exhibition and roadshow, focusing on a specific industry, filling up competency gaps of channel partners owner and team member with competency enhancement training. Such vision deployment programs designed for various levels for soft and hard skills. Programs which are specifically designed for owners, covers topics like how to lead the team and how to retain employees. After mutual agreement of organization and channel partners, on 5-year vision development plan, it is getting reviewed annually and corrected as per progress made. Number 4. Customer pull. Often salesperson just visit the channel partner's office and ask for stock orders instead of going into the market to create customer interest about the product and generate inquiries for the channel partner. If one salesperson of an organization is handling 5 channel partners, then in that case, salesperson should allocate time for each channel partner based on the needs and potential of its territory. That means salesperson should visit customers along with the channel partner's sales team and create more visibility in the market. The channel partner is always looking for a value addition from their principal organization. By doing this, the salesperson earns respect and, in turn, can demand more business from channel partners. Number 5. Transparency. Channel partners' conflicts are often the result of a lack of transparent policy between channel partner and principal organization. Many organizations apply an opportunistic approach in handling channel partners. For example, if there is a big contract in a specific territory, the organization may try to bypass the channel partner and try to take that contract directly without keeping channel partner in the loop. Or sometimes for some reason organizations may appoint new channel partner in the same territory without justifying and informing present channel partner. Or, it may take no action on territory violation. The organizations should have a clear policy on such matters, and should be open to being challenged by any channel partner. If a conflict arises, the organization should resolve it based on the long-term interests of the channel partner's business. Any channel partner's conflict should be resolved in the minimum possible time to avoid a negative atmosphere. Number 6. Facilitation. Many channel partners complain about lack of information from their principal organizations. This could mean technical updates, or routine transactional information on material delivery and dispatch status. Many organizations resolve this by building a channel partners portal which is accessible as a website on computers as well as on smartphones as app. The portal would contain all basic technical as well as marketing information and also all required documentation. Also, seamless integration of the portal can help in direct placement of inquiries and order requests. Stock levels, available credit limits, dispatch dates, confirmed delivery dates, all such data would also be easily available. Weekly and monthly reports can be uploaded on the portal to avoid email communication. Organizations can thus ensure that channel partners don't spend time on wasteful transactional activities, and spend more time on sales, marketing and business's development of their product and services. Number 7. Business reviews. Weekly and monthly reports should be filled by channel partners along with organization's salesperson, and actions should be reviewed every week, for example, weekly target versus actual achievement and new customer development actions. The inquiry pipeline should be reviewed, and order booking targets agreed on a weekly basis. Regular weekly as well as monthly review is the key for organizations to succeed in channel partners' business. Often channel partners hesitate to share customer data and details for fear of losing business to the principal organization or to another channel partner. This mistrust can be avoided by creating and demonstrating a transparent channel partners policy. Number 8. Emotional connect. It is important that channel partners have an emotional connect with the principal organization, and feel that they are in a true and mutually beneficial business partnership. To create a sense of inclusion, organizations can build a communication platform such as Channel Partners Newsletter. This can be used to share case studies including channel partners' success stories, their company and family events, birthdays, and anniversaries as well. It is also a good idea to recognize channel partners' achievements like most promising, upcoming, new business, new territory, and long association, and to celebrate their successes at annual channel partners meets. The organization can create platinum, silver, and premium clubs, and offer membership in each category based on business performance. Some organizations form a channel partners advisory board, consisting of channel partner owners, company channel partner head and company business head that discusses market challenges, channel partners issues, policy changes etc. Number 9. Feedback. After these developmental activities and close working with channel partners, it is always a good idea to get unbiased feedback from them through an anonymous channel partners perception survey with specific attributes. The findings must be analyzed, and necessary corrective actions planned and taken. The score should be revisited every year during the annual channel partners meet, with open dialogue to measure the effectiveness of corrective actions taken by the organization. Sometimes, channel partners encounter financial, human resource, or other challenges. The organization can offer advice or support to help overcome these challenges. This extra step will be highly appreciated by the channel partners. Number 10. Restructuring. After a lot of effort, the organization may find that one or two channel partners are not delivering results, and it is time to take a decision of restructuring their channel partner network. With clear justification based on the poor track record, the decision to deselect can be conveyed to these channel partners. This must be done sensitively and in the right spirit. If possible, the deselected channel partner should not be left for a competitor, but can be attached to another channel partners. A new channel partners can be selected in their place if required. But this exercise must be done in a transparent way. So this was all about modern techniques to grow your business through channel partners. Hope you have found this video useful. Please write below in comment section about your present business and how you are looking forward to grow it. Please give a like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any further notifications of new video. Goodbye. Take care. And thanks for watching.